Hello everyone, we are from Creativity Thing. So this is our new project Solar Scarecrow with sound sensor. So let's see the hardware components of the project. In this project we are using a bird flapping mechanism. So this is a sound sensor. So this is a liquid crystal display. So this is a 10K port for the sensitivity. So this is a speaker. So this is a solar panel. So this is a frame of our project. So like this system we are using the hardware components of the project. Now let's see the working video of the project. As of right now we have turned on the power supply of the project. So let's turn on the project. Okay. So whenever the bird comes in the field, automatically by detecting the sound, the flapping mechanism and sound will be activated. So let's see the working. So as you can see here, whenever the bird sound will be detected by our project, automatically it will be activated. So let's see the again working. So after every 10 seconds after detecting the sound, the automatically it will be shut down by our controller. So like this system, the controlling of the and working of the project is there. If you want this project, please contact us. All the contact information is available in description. Thank you for the watching the video.